How to fix NordicTrack S22i screen not working. So first you're gonna go ahead and check the power connection. So with that, make sure the bike is plugged into a working outlet, something like this, since that's probably one of the basic things you can check out first. Next, you can power cycle the bike. Turn the bike off by unplugging it and waiting about 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in and turn it on again. So if the console is just frozen, this may bring the screen back. You can also go ahead and check the cables or the console cables. If the screen stays black, you can unplug the bike and check the cable connections going into the back of the console, since a loose or pinched console wire can stop the screen from turning on. Then you can also try a pinhole factory reset. You can locate the small pinhole reset button on the side or back of the console or wherever it is, depending on your model. In this model or in this picture here, it is found here, which is a very small hole, so it's usually going to be somewhere around the console. So you can try to reset with that. With the bike powered off, press and hold the pinhole button with a paper clip or anything that fits on it that is solid enough, then power the bike back on while holding it. But those are a few options you can try if your NordicTrack S22i has a unfunctioning screen. Hopefully this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.